Oh, hello. Hi, I'm Dr. Greg Sanders, the founder of the Max Community. I'm working from home, and you probably are too. That's what this community is all about. You can try to do it on your own and learn from trial and error, or you can join a community where people can help you get a shortcut to success. We started this community in 2020 in the midst of the pandemic when the whole world was trying to use how to use Zoom and figure out all these online technologies. Millions of people have left 8 to 5, 9 to 5 jobs, and they are now working from home. And you may be among those. If your business is 100% online or even partially online, you probably need to learn how the technology fits together with the marketing process and so many things to learn, just so much. We're going to be able to help you, and together we can help each other. We have two kinds of people in the Max community. We have people very good at technology, websites and funnels and landing systems and marketing systems and time management and legal systems and accounting and everything like that. And then people that are not good with the technical things. They have their super talent, but it's not the techie stuff. They may even be technology challenged or technophobes. And both of these groups help the other. Why should you wait for 2 or 3 days for some company to return an email to you when you need an answer right now? We have our own technology, our own CRM called the Max Pro CRM. We have a video production and connection platform called Max Video City, where you can ask for video testimonials by just sending a link to your customers and clients. You can ask for a story video where you tell them 1, 2, 3 what you want them to talk about and collect that video for your website or for your marketing. You can make your own branded videos with our technology. Or we have an automated webinar system that we can create for you, making a webinar of the things that you do that are making you money when you're sleeping or having time with your family. And we have our own mobile app, which is very inexpensive. In fact, we have a free version we'll give to any member who's joined our community. And then there are premium versions as well. If you have your own technology, great. We have technology support sessions every week to help you with what you have already, or if you want to adopt our technology, we can help you with that. If you have something to offer on the technology side, we'll find clients for you, because we have plenty of people that don't like technology or are not good at it or don't want to spend their time at that within our community. So we all help each other. We want to maximize your life, not just your business. Yes, we're going to help you make more money. We have the Max Money Map, which we can do for you to find out what are your sources of income, or what could they be? How do we optimize those? How do we get your cash flow going right away? But we also have things that maybe take a little bit longer. We have a 12-step process called the Max Journey, from vision all the way to legacy, where systematically we help you build your business process and your business success. I'm Dr. Greg Sanders, the founder of the Max Community. I was a university professor for 30 years, and now I have turned my attention to building online businesses and online success. It's great to connect with you. I hope you'll click the button below, join our free program. We give so much value with just our free program. We have 3 paid levels as well, which include all kinds of technology, masterminds, our sales mastery program, so many other things, and our affiliate program, where you can invite 2 people to our community and completely pay off your own membership and then earn money as another multiple stream of income for yourself. All of that later. We just encourage you to start below. Just click the button. Let's get started. We cannot wait to connect with you.